wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow cone. So smart, she's leading me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Use two sticks to make it in the nature. I'll get you into penetration. The gender of a generation. The birth of every other nation. Look your way to go to meditation. This chapter's gonna be a close one. Smoke rings, I know you're gonna blow one. All on a spaceship persevering. Use my hands for everything but steering. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. Mob tops are happy when they feed you. J-butterflies in the G-top. Words that blow the meaning in the bebop. World, I love the tears I drop. To be part of the wave can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world, I love the trains are hard. To be part of the wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? 10 more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. Right on cue. Can't stop, addicted to the shindig. Chop top, he says I'm gonna win big. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant person to the reservation. Default the pistol that you pay for. Just pump the feeling that you stay for. In time I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Burn so bright, I wonder what the wave meant. Kickstart the golden generate hub. Sweet talk but don't intimidate hub. Can't stop the gods from engineering. Feel no need for any interfering. Your image in the dictionary. This life is more than ordinary. Can I get you maybe even 3 of these? Coming from a space to teach you of the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. This life is more than just a read through.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go. All right, okay. All right, okay. Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go off, gone. Deuces goodbye, I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
So we put our hands up. So we put our hands up.
Let's go. And all my people say, that's right. And all my people say, and all my people say,
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Illuminati way.
We've done it with robotic arm on the space shuttle. We've done it with direct launch of modules.
Prepare for light speed.
On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got red going jeans, cause I'm cool rap. Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. It felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the color, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a addy. Straight goals, let these niggas know we've already. Expensive clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got red going jeans, cause I'm cool rap. Shit, no shoes overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blueberry t-shirt, sleeve vanilla. Hard top, turn a vert, riding any weather. You ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. Said the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to booming out the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Smelled the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and love shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, visit day, yo. I ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in their pesos. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got red going jeans, cause I'm cool rap. Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got red going jeans, cause I'm cool rap. coupe, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Metro bought 2 protects. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these niggas wet. We on the Boominati way.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road, hey, next. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that Northside eat. And still, bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dawg. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own, hey, no, hey. Someone watching it close, yup, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road, hey, Might go down as G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, hey, wait. I make sure that Northside eat, yeah. And still, bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing on me. Yeah, yeah. Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot. Ay, give me my respect. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat. Catch me cause I'm gone. Out of there, I'm gone. How I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack. Serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap. Ay. Funny how they shook. Ay. Got you niggas shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself. Take a look. Ay. I'm a bar spitter. I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter. I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him. Got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer. I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me that shit, dog. Prayed, then I prayed again, amen, Lord. Had a moment, but it came and went. They don't love you no more. You don't wanna play with him, no, no, no. They'll be mourning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring, whoa, yeah. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything, peace. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn, whoa, yeah. She just said I'm bad, I hit the thizzle dance, Mac Dre shit. Either hand is the upper hand, whoa, yeah, shit. Got a bubble on my other hand, whoa, yeah, shit, yeah. This shit ain't no 100 bands, no, 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 no. Palace look like Buckingham. Bill so big, I call him Williams for real. Reasons to go crazy, got $1 trillion for real. They been trying me, but I'm resilient for real. I can't go in public like civilian for real. And I hardly take offense. Money for revenge, man, that's hardly an expense. I'll Heyman checks off of all of my events. I like all the profit, man, I hardly do percents. I don't do that shit. A big part of me resents niggas that I knew from when I started in this shit. They see what I got and man, it's hard to be content. Fuck what they got going on, I gotta represent. Hey. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot.
Booty soft and shaped like a strawberry. Her pussy ball with a tat like Stephon Marbury. Carry all my dirt to the grave, I'm the pallbearer. Bury all of my sins, staring out of the bins. Gone off weed, gone off hand. Gone with the wind, gone with the pretty long hairs with the fairy skin. Yelling in her face and she repeated like a parrot. And apparently she gon' keep yelling at me, I'ma never win. Where your ass was at when I was sleeping on the couch and in the wheel? Probably with another nigga, on another nigga dick. I'm on another tip. My skin so tense, strength on strength, 1 on 10 against me. I won't break, I don't bend. Watch your statements, guard your chin, guard your heart, guard your light. Find your zen, mind your likeness. You doing without, cause you ain't looking within. But if you ever in doubt, get it suspend.
Yeah, for life, baby, I'm dressed for the war. Baby girl, I'm your soldier. But tripping like this, back and forth, wonder who gon' hold you. Everybody needs somebody to hold them down. Everybody needs somebody to hold them down.
Look, cool. I mean, shorty had relations that we never could speak about. You get mad, I'm mad, we sleep it out. And then she had a man who used to beat her, so she told me she wanted out. Got a couple abortions, now that pussy's a haunted house. Now her heart cold, Antarctica, Siberia. Had it planned out, curriculum, criteria, change. She feel pain, strain, built up anger from dealing with a dickhead, putting her life in danger. I understand the time that you go through your woman things, and sometimes can't gauge clearly on what you be thinking. I swear I got your back and got the tab on what you drinking. You ain't got to move a finger or pinky when we linking. Whatever keeps your boat afloat or ship sinking, from loose lips of side women stepping out of position, breaking out of a system, prison, parallelogram, shaping a prism. Stop signs never stop die, let's be realistic. I've been trying to get in touch with my senses and be better to my sisters, but niggas think that you feminine when you sensitive. My homegirl rapping, she feminist, holding down for the women, I call her feminine. Tell them how you really feel, head ass, cause ass shots are dead ass and fake tits been around, we gas it. Girl, you perfect without that makeup or the plastic surgery. I'ma tell you how it is like Ron Burgundy.
Yeah, for life, baby, I'm dressed for the war. Baby girl, I'm your soldier. But tripping like this back and forth, wonder who gon' hold you. Everybody needs somebody to hold them down. Everybody needs somebody to hold them down.
Sì, lo senti il sound? È chiaro o no? Dall'underground al top, dai playground ai playoff. Alza la TV, passa i popcorn, inizia lo show. Quando si incontrano la East e la West Coast, c'è un po' d'Italia in USA, 4 paesani in NBA, riempiono d'orgoglio i miei. Ancora sul parquet a fare fischiare sneakers come gomme nel drifting, puntando al grande salto come Blake Griffin. Se servono le rime, sai già chi chiama Sky. Sempre mi skill, ancora kill, sono il go-to guy. Migliori in campo ad MI, MVP, il beat lo alza Big Fish. Siamo il Dream Team, è un sacco che non perdo, e qui ogni giorno è guerra. Sto un metro sopra il ferro, ma coi piedi per terra. Stalking e trash talking alle mie spalle. La vita è come il basket, cioè questione di palle. Non ci sono per nessuno, ci c'è l'NBA. I love this girl. Un parquet, un canestro ed una palla, solo io e lei. I love this girl. Blocchi, assist, tiri da 3, fade away. I love this girl. Non c'è più tempo per pensare, it's time to play. I love this. Tutti lo sanno, quando parte kill non lo fermi. L'uomo dell'anno, sono in forma come Stephen Curry. Rookie come Nigat Game, gruppi nel mio letto. In fissa col triangolo come Phil Jackson. Quando ci provi con lei, fai a vuoto, airball, io e i miei la schiacciamo forte come LeBron James. Capi di sta scena come Tony in Scarface. Blocco Rex, creme della creme, all star game. Il mio paese grida defense, qui non è più aria. Voglio andar via dall'Italia come Kobe Bryant. La mia generazione segue le mie orme, prende le mie forme, bianco e tatuato come Birdman. Qui ogni giorno è gara 7, sento la stanchezza, ma se ci credo non mi ferma neanche di pavetta. Sognare di spiccare il volo e rassegnarsi mai. I believe I can fly, ricordi Mike? Non ci sono per nessuno, ci c'è l'NBA. I love this girl. Un parquet, un canestro ed una palla, solo io e lei. I love this girl. Blocchi, assist, tiri da 3, fade away. I love this girl. Non c'è più tempo per pensare, it's time to play. I love this. Partiti dal quartiere parlerete di noi. Bad boy come nei 90 di Detroit. Odio le cose easy, il nostro motto è play hard. Ma ste rime le scrivo con gli occhi chiusi, lay up. Musicalmente geniale Rain Man, mentre qui distruggono i talenti tipo Space Jam. Scrivo così tante hit sopra questi beat che se fossi un team mi chiamerei Miami's Heat. Non ci sono per nessuno, ci c'è l'NBA. I love this
gay. Un pacche, un canestro ed una palla, solo io e lei. I love peace, gay. Blocchi assist, tiri da 3, fade away. I love peace, gay. Non c'è più tempo per pensare, it's time to play. I love peace, gay.
stessa convinzione ce l'avevo già. A volte mi dicevano è un'assurdità e non capivano quelli della mia età. Un pensiero dopo un altro, una mentalità, è una scelta dopo un'altra, non casualità. In tutto quest'amore ho messo la mia scienza. Il dettaglio fa la differenza. Cosa ci sarà? Nella mia mano che prepara il tiro, dentro i polmoni quando respiro, nelle mie spalle che portano il peso, nella mia mente che ha compreso, dentro i miei occhi nei loro riflessi, nella mia pancia che ha scommesso. Mentre lo faccio non penso allo sbaglio, questo non è un dettaglio. Un brivido che resta dentro si fa spirito, in bilico allena il senso del pericolo. Un'altra palla persa, ma devi amare anche la sofferenza. È una ricerca eterna, perché il dettaglio fa la differenza. Hey, contano i punti ma non ho contato i punti di sutura, infatti l'anima non si misura. Così dentro nel momento qui e ora che non riesco a ricordare neanche la paura. Di quest'amore è così alto il costo, non puoi ridurre tutto alla tua faccia su un poster. Ho creato un mostro, ma solo un mostro vive anche dopo la morte. Alti e bassi, a volte il mondo ti fa fallo, a volte fai passi nello stomaco farfalle legate ai sassi. Ricordo quando pensavano che mollassi. La notte che ho perso il campionato sono andato ad allenarmi, hai detto cosa vuoi che cambierà. Ma adesso guardo dentro tutti quei dettagli hanno portato la mia vita qua. Io la vedo già, nei movimenti quando mi esprimo, la direzione del destino, nell'ossessione che ho sempre difeso, la decisione che ho già preso. È la preparazione di un tiro, ad ogni passo, ad ogni respiro. Non mi concedo nemmeno uno sbaglio, questo non è un dettaglio. Un brivido che resta dentro si fa spirito, in bilico allena il senso del pericolo. Un'altra palla persa, ma devi amare anche la sofferenza. È una ricerca eterna, perché il dettaglio fa la differenza. Un brivido come un soffio in mezzo all'anima, in bilico da quando ti sognavo in camera. Un'altra palla persa, io l'ho inseguita tutta l'esistenza, e non è vita senza, perché il dettaglio fa la differenza. Nella mia mano che prepara il tiro, dentro i polmoni quando respiro, nelle mie spalle che portano il peso, nella mia mente che ha compreso, dentro i miei occhi nei loro riflessi, nella mia pancia che ha scommesso. Mentre lo faccio non penso allo sbaglio, questo non è un dettaglio.
When I got my first pair and I stepped outside and I was like, mama, this air bubble right here, it's gonna make me fly. I hit that court and when I jumped, I swear I got so high, I touched the net. Mom, I touched the net. This is the best day of my life. Air Maxes were next. That air bubble, that mesh, the box, the smell, the stuffing, the tread at school. I was so cool, I knew that I couldn't crease them. My friends couldn't afford them. 4 stripes on their Adidas. On the court, I wasn't the best, but my kicks were like the pros. Yo, stick out my tongue so everyone could see that logo. Nike Air Flight book bag was so dope. And then my friend Carlos's brother got murdered for his 4s. Whoa. See, he just wanted a jump shot, but they wanted to start a cult, though. Didn't want to get caught from Genesee Park to Othello. You could clown for those probings with the Velcro, those were not tight. I was trying to fly without leaving the ground, cause I wanted to be like Mike, right? Wanted to be him, I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim, I wanted to be cool, and I wanted to fit in. I wanted what he had. America, it begins.
I wanna fly, can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for, tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high, my feet won't touch the ground. Just hitch my wings and pull the strings. I bought these strings that all fall.
We want what we can't have. The commodity makes us want it. So expensive, damn. I just got to flaunt it, got to show 'em. So exclusive, this, that new shit. $100 for a pair of shoes. I would never hoop in. Look at me, I'm a cool kid. I'm an individual, yeah, but I'm part of a movement. My movement told me be a consumer, and I consumed it. They told me to just do it, I listened to what that swoosh said. Look at what that swoosh did, see it consume my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk. That's my air bubble and I'm lost. If it pops, We are what we wear what we are. But see, I look inside the mirror and think Phil Knight tricked us all. Will I stand for change or stay in my box? These Nikes help me define me, but I'm trying to take mine off.
I wanna fly, can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for, tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high, my feet won't touch the ground. Just hitch my wings and pull the strings. I bought these dreams that all fall down.
Started out with what I wear to school that first day. Like these are what make you cool. And this pair, this would be my parachute. So much more than just a pair of shoes. Nah, this is what I am, what I wore. This is the source of my youth. This dream that they sold to you. $400 and some change. Consumption is in the veins. And now I see it's just another pair of shoes.
Be Kobe with the H. Be Kobe with the
Sono partito da un posto lontano con un asso nella mano. Il mondo è solo un sasso nella mano. Sapessi quante volte l'ho tirato ed ho sbagliato. Stanco morto e neanche ho sbadigliato. Con i pensieri fuori dal campo, muori provando. È un matrimonio, fiori d'arancio. È proprio quando sto perdendo il piatto che rilancio. A volte il canestro è dritto soltanto se mi sbilancio. Metto il piede dietro la linea dei 3 punti. La concentrazione me la prendo dai vostri dubbi. Se non ci credi come fanno a crederci tutti. Se ci pensi è un gioco che non è per adulti. Se la realtà non ha senso forse ce l'hanno i sogni. Per questo spesso poi fanno a pugni. Puoi andare via anche per giorni, ma quando ami qualcosa veramente ritorni.
Non c'è un uomo davvero invincibile. Non c'è un piano infallibile. Il dolore lo confido al parquet. È una sfida solo tra me e me. Se non è vita allora un gioco cos'è? Un gioco cos'è?
Ci sta che hai giocato bene pure quando hai perso. Se è così complicato perché non hai smesso. Dicono fai presto, te lo sei mai chiesto? Vedi il futuro perché lo sai già da adesso. E senti il tic del tempo. Per qualcuno è un inferno e mi sto divertendo. Aspettano solo che vai per terra. Ma la mia guerra sta dentro, è roba che non vendo. È vendetta quando esulti, più per il tipo nello specchio che per gli insulti. Si imparano le fondamenta, dopo i trucchi. Ha senso arrivare alla vetta se poi ti tuffi. L'approccio di un guaglione non è detto che ti piaccia. È come Kobe Bryant quando schiaccia. Ritorno sulla traccia, sembra uscita dai 90 pro. Ancora in piedi dopo il KO. E oh,
non c'è un uomo davvero invincibile. Non c'è un piano infallibile. Il dolore lo confido al parquet. È una sfida solo tra me e me. Se non è vita allora un gioco cos'è? Un gioco cos'è?
volevo mollare ma ho perso la memoria. Fai un impero con il tempo che ho perso in paranoia. Ci sono cose che fai, non le spiego e le speri. Pensa che una volta erano solo pensieri. Lo faccio per me ma qualcosa di segreto lo porta dentro te poi me lo riporta indietro. È una vita che mi fido di ciò che non vedo ma sento che c'è. Mi sembra chiaro che
non c'è un uomo davvero invincibile. Non c'è un piano infallibile. Il dolore lo confido al parquet. È una sfida solo tra me e me. Se non è vita allora un gioco cos'è? Un gioco
Let's go. Pose the camera. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. Pose the camera. All my fellas. All my fellas.
You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept. I got a new attitude and a lease on life is a peace of mind. Seeking to find I can sleep when I die. Want a piece of the pie, got the keys to the ride and shit. I'm straight. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Get up my way. I'm running late. What can I say? I heard you died twice. Once when they bury you in the grave, and the second time is the last time that somebody mentions your name. So when I leave here on this earth, did I take more than I gave? Did I look out for the people, or did I do it all for fame? Legend is Exodus, searching for euphoria, judging through the mud to find the present, no ignoring. I got 20,000 deep off in the street like we some warriors. My mama told me never bow your head. Whoa.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
I'm feeling glorious. The crib looking victorious. You know that we've been going it since we hopped out that DeLorean. On guard, things are just things. They don't make you who you are. Can't pack up a U-Haul and take it with you when you're gone. We posted on the porch, my family's glasses to the stars. My grandma smiling down on me like, whoop, that boy got bars. Okay, okay, yes I do. I said amen and hallelujah. Let me testify to another morning. I'm on it, won't let self get in my way. I got my breath, I got my faith, and I remember why I
I
came.
feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious. We gon' be alright, put that on my life. When I open my eyes, hope I see you shine. We're planting our flag, they don't understand. The world is up for grabs. We gon' be alright, put that on my life. When I open my eyes, hope I see you shine. We're planting our flag, they don't understand. The world is up for grabs. I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip, drip. Ay, straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'ma sip, sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I did it for get back. I had had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you running y'all gang or you suit. Got a New Orleans bitch, and man, that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now, who knew? I put the new fire.